Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will do the unboxing and setup of this Resonet router UPS. We will also check the power backup on the later part of the video. Stay tuned. A very good thing about this UPS is it is made in India. I feel really proud whenever I make a video or promote an Indian brand. We rarely find an Indian product in the hardware section, but I am really happy to find an Indian product with such a level of quality. I really like the tagline of this UPS router. It says when the power goes off, your Wi-Fi doesn't. Most of us are working from home during this pandemic, and we know how much it is important for us to be connected with the internet whole time. So when you are working from home from an area where you have frequent power cutoffs, this product comes very handy. It has a power backup up to 4 hours. The price mentioned in this box is 2,911, but if you buy online you will get very good discounts. I bought this at 1200 rupees from Amazon site during offer period. Also I got an additional 10% discount on my HDFC debit card. So I paid around 1000 bucks for this router. You can connect this UPS not only with your Wi-Fi routers but also any lower power devices, maybe TV set-top box or your CCTV camera. Without much further delay, let's unbox this and do the installation. In the box we get UPS router. It has a on and off switch, a light indicator and 2 pins in and out. It gives a installation guide as well, a warranty card. It has 1 year warranty period and 3 bridge cables to support different pin sizes. Let's do the installation now. I have this TP-Link Wi-Fi router with me. I will try to connect the UPS with this router. If you are planning to buy TP-Link Wi-Fi routers, I have made a video on unboxing and complete setup of this router. You can check the video link I have provided in the description. Let's connect this UPS with our Wi-Fi. So my Wi-Fi is on now. You can see all the signals are green. I am switching off the power supply. The Wi-Fi is off now. So first you have to remove the power adapter outlet from the Wi-Fi and connect it to the in socket of the UPS. Next, select the bridge cable which will fit with your router. For me, this bridge cable looks a perfect fit. Let me try with this. Connect one end of the cable to the router and the other end to the UPS outlet. I'm switching on the UPS now. You can see the green light. That means the router is fully charged. If it is the orange light, then it means the UPS is in charging mode. So I can see the Wi-Fi is also turned on. That means the UPS is working fine. So let me wait for some time so that my Wi-Fi signals comes up. You can see the signals are green. This UPS is providing the power supplies needed for this router. To use the internet, I need this internet symbol to be green. Still coming up. It's orange, so it is turning on. Let's wait for it to turn green. It has turned green. That means we can use the internet with this Wi-Fi. My UPS is fully assembled with the Wi-Fi router now. Now I will turn on the power supply to see if UPS is working fine or not. You can see an orange light is blinking. That means the UPS is in charging mode now. I will quickly turn off the power supply again to see if the UPS gives the continuous power backup or not. I'm switching off the power supply now. You can see my Wi-Fi is still on. I am getting a continuous power supply to the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is fully functional now. We have seen the unboxing and how easy it was to assemble this UPS with an existing Wi-Fi router. This UPS seems to be very handy for people like me who are working from home and need uninterrupted internet connectivity. I have tested this router and it gave me more than 3+ hours of power backup, which I believe is very good. You can use this UPS not only with your Wi-Fi router, but also if you don't want to miss live matches in TV, you can always connect this with your TV set-top box. Also, you can connect this with CCTV camera so that you get maximum level of security. It's very lightweighted and doesn't need much space as well. That's it from this video. Hope you like it and it helps you to decide whether you should buy this UPS router or not. If you have any queries related to this UPS, you can leave a comment. Do like this video and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos in future. Until next time, it's a bye from my side.